I've been taught by traditional sales gurus that sales is all about numbers. You need to always be closing. You need to have a thick skin to be the best salesman out there. And that's how I've started. I've started in the corporate world and really losing myself in the process, not being true to who I am. And sometimes I used to leave myself at home and I used to wear this mask that who I have to be this superstar, the sales guy who just goes out there and says yes to clients. We can make it happen. Over promise and under deliver. That was my mantra or the philosophy that I had been taught. And that caused a lot of pain in me, a lot of sleepless nights. I still remember my son was about to be born, my firstborn, and I'm at the hospital. I'm sitting at the labor room and sending proposals to customers, because for them it's all about send me it now, give me the best deal. So understanding all those challenges that I've gone through when I was the pressure tactics or doing everything the management or the customer desires out of you, I lost myself. I didn't know who Joby was. And Joby was just being this puppet in the hands of the organization or in the hands of the client. So the moment I went in that journey to realize, what does Joby want? Who is Joby? And what actually makes him tick? What makes him happy? What is important to him? Once I understood that my purpose is to serve my client in any shape, way, or form, by understanding to their problems, getting to know them better. And once I unlocked that aspect from the client, I then took them on a journey, because I went into the journey of personal development. I understood that I can only be a better person if I develop myself. So I became a master in the heart-centered sales process. I became a master in my mindset, in ensuring that I'm always have the client's best at heart. It's not about what Joby needs, but it's about the client always first policy. And then it was about how do I get better in my skill sets, in my language, in my communication. And I come from the space that brings out the best of Joby. I became a better version of myself. In that process, clients, rather than me chasing clients, it was clients chasing me. I've been now, thanks to God, I've been getting referrals after referrals. Clients are signing up. They are not only signing 1-year deals, they're signing up 2-year deals. My retention has been increasing. My closed won sales has been increasing. My, you could say, the followers or my database has been improving and has been increasing. So it's all because of the fact that I am coming from a heart-centered space and I'm coming from an area where I'm giving it back. So here I'm living with purpose. I'm adding my passion, which is being a community builder, bringing people together, understanding problems, giving them solutions, and enabling them to add value to the community is helping my passion, my life, my goals to actually align with the needs of the community.